Hello friends, my name is Basant. So I'm running my small YouTube channel. It's called Basant Pandey. Basically, not sure whether it's there or not. Yeah, this is my channel. So basically, I learn the JavaScript and other languages, and so I'm just putting some of the content here. So right now, what I'm planning to do here, I'm love JavaScript. So there is a concept of functional programming paradigm. So in general, every programmer should learn those concepts. So it's basically purely based on the functions rather than the object-oriented approach. So there are some of the languages also available in the market. It's called Scala, Haskell, based on the functional programming, the purity, and basically they based on all the laws that are associated with functional programming, like all the category theories. You go to the algebraic laws, all are there. So it's already proven you need to be right to test case against those because the mathematical we are talking about the mathematical terms that they are already proven most of the things. So here the concept of function programming it help you to gain those knowledge and to make to think beyond the knowledge of object oriented. So how the object-oriented people think versus how the functional programmer think to write a code. So basically, it's basically based on the functions. So we are emphasize on the function, how we write the function and everything. So let's quickly start without taking your much time. So introduction. So this is a book basically. Introduction. This is book is written by the professor of SSP or Dr. Bullion. So if you press Dr. Bullion, so Brian Brian launched off. So this guy has written functional programming. It's put one of YouTube videos as well. Also, you if you want to explore, you can explore this guy as well. Also, you go to the GitHub. There is there's a page. I think you can write the awesome function programming. So I will put that link in the description as well. If you click this, the JavaScript. Basically, we are learning this concept in JavaScript, not other languages. So you can see there are all the existing libraries are based on the functional programming. It's Lodash, Lambda, Function.js, and this is a ADT algebraic data structure on the fantasy land. So there's the procs library. So we are going into the some of the library as well in future, but right now we are focused on to just this book. So about this book. So basically, this book is on function programming, and in other words, it's the most and we using the most popular language called JavaScript. And why you need this book is basically this make it possible to practice and apply your adequate knowledge to each day in real life to solving a problem which you felt you could be used in another way. I mean, this could be right in another way, but you can think like in the functional way if you use those concepts. And this we don't have to learn everything like in the functional programming right now. If you say we cannot write a log, a variable, or uh, we cannot read a DOM without using the monad. So what is the monad? We need not to be take care right now. So basically we are talking about the purity. So these are based on all the purity, but we can cheat some of it concept here. We can use some of the write some impure and some of the pure code as well here. So the language is fully capable of writing the code. Basically all the functionality of the so basically the JavaScript, there are many JavaScript libraries, string libraries that mimic most of the things based on the Scala and Haskell. So so this is all about why you need to read some of the 3 point mentioned by the author. But for me, if you need to know about to think about the way the function programming think, and apart from the object, or if you are an object, so most of the programming people from the project object-oriented background, so they know about the OOS concept, but they are lacking in the terms of functional code. But if you see there are everywhere, if you go everywhere, there are a functional programming. If you talk about the C sharp or any languages, Java. So if we talk about the lambda functions, they based on all the function programming. So link you. So this is also based on the functions. So you will find some of the functions that take the input, and you can make a chain to pass the one pass the output of one function to put the input of another one. So this is, you can create a chain. So this is I think this must you must go. I mean, you must have this this knowledge in your tool set. So read it online. You can even get it. You can read it via Gitbook as well. So here is code. You can repo this also, or you will get this code exercise 4. Also, you can write some of the stuff, like if you want to be download the PDF ADP version, you can do it yourself. You can generate run the npm command to get the same. Also, you will find these all are the chapters inside this repository. I think this is all about. I think here is a plan what he's planning to do right now. I don't think so. It's chapter 14. So if you see here, there are only 12 chapter. Not sure. So this chapter, let me quickly go to the chapter. It's basically the introduction right now we are doing. So apart from this, we have a chapter 1. Whatever are we doing? Uh, First class function, pure happiness with pure functions, stirring, doing by composing. So this is the example of application. So these are all the book topic that we are going to cover it. I hope you like this video, and thank you, and happy function programming. Bye bye.